Hi everyone, welcome back to Fiffys Cuisine and Corner. Today I'm making this delicious moi moi, and without further ado, let's get right into the video and I'll introduce you all to the ingredients which I'll be using. So here I have my brown base. I'll be soaking this for a few minutes and then I'll be peeling off the skin with my hands. You can use your blender for this. Just use the pause function. You pause, you stop, you pause, you stop, then strain to get rid of the chaff. So here my beans is all nice and clean. I've washed it, so I'm just going to quickly introduce you all to some of the ingredients which I'll be using. So guys, here are some of the ingredients I'll be using for this moi moi recipe. But before we proceed, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video after watching. Thank you very much. So here I have beans. I already washed and peeled this. I explained how I did that earlier. Here I have my onion and pepper mix. This is onion and this is shombo, aka chili pepper. I have the regular bell peppers, aka TATASHE, and I have scotch bonnets, also known as ATARODO. Here I have 1 hard-boiled egg, 2 garlic clove and 2 seasoning cube, and I have crayfish powder, and I'm going to be blending everything. But first, let's prep our peppers. So I'm done prepping my peppers now. I already washed and chopped all of them, so we're just going to be blending them. So guys, I'm transferring everything now over to my blender, my beans, my peppers and everything. We're going to be blending everything. Please follow me on Instagram if you're not already doing so. My username is displayed on the screen below. It's at Fiffys_corner. Thank you very much. So guys, now I'm done with the first blending. Before I blend again, I'll add the remaining ingredients. First, I'm adding palm oil. This is optional but it's advisable because it adds loads of flavor to your moi moi, trust me. Next up, I'm going to add salt. I forgot to add that earlier, so I'm just going to add that now. Afterwards, I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil. This is going to make your moi moi very fluffy, so please don't skip it. Check the description box to get the complete ingredients and measurement list. It's going to be listed there. So now I'm done blending and I'm just going to transfer my batter into my mixing bowl. I'm going to mix it with my hand mixer for about 4-5 minutes. The purpose of doing this is to incorporate air to make it even more fluffy. If you do not have a hand mixer, you can use your regular hand wicks to do this, but it's going to take more time, like 10 minutes, and you're good to go. So next up, I'm going to chop the egg which I'll be using for this moi moi. You can use egg as your protein of choice. You can use fish or chicken or corned beef or whatever you have. This is what I have, so this is what I'm using. Next up, I'm going to transfer my batter into the plate which my moi moi will be cooking in. I did not have moi moi leaves, so I'm substituting for this. This is just regular moi moi plates, moi moi plastic plates. You can get this from your local market or supermarket. You can even use ramekins if that's what you have, or you can use moi moi nylon. You can use anything basically, but for me, my first choice is always moi moi leaves, but like I said, I'm out of that right now. So now it's time to cook my moi moi, but first I'm adding my moi moi stick into the pot to serve as base. I got it from my moi moi leaves which I had earlier. This is just the moi moi stick, those sticks that is attached to the moi moi leaves. And I'm transferring my batter into the pot to cook for 40 minutes and I'll come back to check on it. So guys, it's 40 minutes later now. Moi moi is ready, so I'm just going to take them off the heat. This moi moi does not just look good, it tastes even more better, trust me. Do not forget to check the description box for the full measurement and ingredient list. Is listed there. Also, like this video if you enjoyed watching, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to be the first to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Until next time I come your way with another quick and delicious recipe. Bye guys.